Hi, ma'am. How are you doing today?
Hello, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Yes, I'm also doing great. Thank you so much for asking. So, since it is morning, right? So, how has been going?
Yeah, today I don't have work. I'm staying home. Means every day Monday to Friday I was very busy. Saturday Sunday I will be free. Today um, there is no office now.
Okay. So,
Slow
are you
Saturday
working
like.
professional?
Sorry.
Are you working professional?
Yeah, I'm working as a receptionist, one of the
Okay.
software company.
Okay.
I'm
That's
working
good.
under contract.
Okay. That's cool, ma'am. So, today
Yeah,
you have holiday, right? You're waiting for
yeah.
that
That's
for the whole
that's
week.
why I put yeah, that's why I put oil on my head. My face also
Okay.
changed today.
Okay. So,
How is your day?
yes, my day, yes, it's pretty good. I'm trying to make the day as much as productive. Yes, it is good. It is going good.
Okay.
Yes. Mm.
Uh, uh, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Actually, no, my name is Pavitra and I'm from Tamil Nadu. I completed my degree BE in computer science. After that, I worked as a data entry operator for some years. And now I quit my job. I'm focusing on my communication skill and my personality development too. And when it comes to hobbies, I enjoy reading books, drawing, gardening also. This is pretty much about myself. Yes.
Okay.
May I know about yourself? Yeah, meeting for the very
Yeah,
first time.
yeah. My name is Ganga. I'm from Karnataka. I'm living in Bangalore. My native place is Tumkur. It is also Karnataka only.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, we living in for last 20 years. We are living in
Okay.
Bangalore only.
Mm.
I got married. I have two daughters. Younger one
Mm.
studying 10th standard. Elder one
Okay.
studying BE biotechnology. She is studying. Um,
Okay.
my husband also working in a government sector.
Mm.
I am also working woman. Uh,
So,
yeah. When I was 16, I got married. I couldn't study. I only studied only second PUC. Now, recently, I completed my BA.
mm.
Last 2 months, I written the final year exam BA.
Okay,
I'm
that's
waiting
cool,
for the
ma'am.
result.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the
And,
result. I'm learning
okay.
English also. I should improve my communication skills as much as I can. That's the reason I started YouTube channel. I want to improve my communication skills. Uh, that's all pretty about me. I'm feel nervous. This is my first conversational video.
Yes, it is inevitable, ma'am. If you are doing anything for the very first time, we feel so much nervous and fear, hesitations and all. But we should do that, right? To get rid of hesitation and the fear also. But I couldn't feel you so much have the hesitation and all. You're more confident, I can say.
Oh, is it? Thank you.
Yes,
You're motivating. You're motivating me.
yes. So, when did you started your YouTube channel? How is it going? Can you
Last
share a
week only
little bit
I
about?
started. Yeah,
Okay,
last week only I started for learning purpose this channel. Before I started one YouTube channel, that is garden video. I have a terrace garden. I grow
okay,
many vegetables,
mm,
flowers, and grafted fruits as well.
okay,
That time, yeah, at that time I put some videos, shorts
mm,
video on it. Nowadays I
mm,
have no time. I should
mm,
communicate my English. I should improve myself. That's the
mm.
reason I stopped. that channel. It is
Okay.
the I didn't stop it. Stop. Sometimes I will get time. I will upload some
Mm.
videos. I have one cat.
Okay.
I upload that cat video also on it.
Okay, that's so cool. So nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you fond
Trees.
of gardening?
Yeah, I love gardening.
Mm.
When I get a free time, I do garden work. I love garden. Morning to evening, I will do continuously work on my terrace garden. It's give
Okay.
peaceful and enjoyment for me.
Mm. Yes, I also have seen some of the terrace gardening in Chennai. But in our village, we grow the plants in the ground itself because we have a lot of huge uh, empty space, right? So we will keep small garden in our house itself. But here I have seen some of the terrace gardening. They are growing the plants on the terrace itself. It is good, but we should take care too much, right?
Yeah,
Especially in
yeah.
summer season. Mhm.
Every day in
Oh,
summer season, every day we will do watering. Otherwise, they will dry.
mhm.
Sometimes I do watering morning and evening also twice a day. Either
Mhm.
it's dried.
Okay, okay, okay. Got
There
it.
is no,
Because
yeah,
mm,
actually, there is no place to grow plants and all in Bangalore.
mm,
You know, it's
mm.
very cost field. We can't buy.
Yes,
I,
yes, yes.
we only bought off-site. We
Mm.
built a site off-site in our family. In
Mm.
terrace, there is empty. Na? That's the reason I started terrace garden.
Okay, that's cool. That's nice,
How do
ma'am.
you
At least
spend?
you're.
Yeah, how do you spend your free time?
My free time, I spend my time into listening. Most of the time, I do listening to podcasts or sometimes English conversation videos, or sometimes it might be any story, kids stories. So I spend like that, and I I'm into reading also. I spend little time into reading books, read books like story books. But nowadays I'm reading self-help books, so those are non-fiction books. And other than what I do, sometimes I use my phone for some entertainment purpose also, but not too much. I'm little conscious about that. And other than, yes, connect with people and attend the classes on English or try to improve my English. This is how my time is spending nowadays. I'm spending my time. Mhm.
Okay. I am also watching some English stories, English cartoon. I watch Instagram video, short videos, animated videos now that they are teaching English. I do
Okay.
watch like that, like that. Sometimes I get bored. I listen songs, Kannada songs, and all.
Mhm. Okay, yes, it is human tendency, right? If you don't enjoy too much, then how we can spend too much time in that particular task or particular activity? If we have interest, otherwise we can't stay more than half an hour or more than 1 hour also. So it's a boring task, ma'am. It is a monotonous thing, but we should do it to get the fluency or better level, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Every day I go to
Okay.
office. I leave at 8 o'clock in the morning. After
Mm.
I came back home evening 7 o'clock. It's
Mm.
too long. It's too
Yes.
long. I'm leaving outside only. After that
Mm.
evening 7 o'clock only I reached home. And Saturday, Sunday I stay home. This is all my
Okay.
lifestyle.
Mm. Okay, then how did you manage your time? Because it is too difficult, right? As a as a working professional, and now you are into learning this language also, and you should devote some time towards this language and your household chores and your work. So, do you have a proper routine or proper time management tricks something?
Yeah, I do time management. Otherwise, I can't manage anything.
Mm.
I woke up 5 o'clock in the morning every day. My
Mm.
younger daughter now studying 10th standard. She go to tuitions in the morning 5:45. I
Mm.
prepare breakfast to her
Okay.
early morning. Yeah, that's
Okay.
the
Okay.
reason I every day I wake up at 5 o'clock.
Mm.
Otherwise, I can't manage. After that, I will do household chores. My husband will help me on
Okay.
it.
Mm.
Yeah, I can't only handle myself. My elder daughter, she's staying in a hostel. She
Okay.
is also studying in Bangalore, but it's her college. It's too far to her. She goes sometimes metro. But she couldn't manage her time. That's the reason she is staying hostel near her college.
Okay. Okay. That's
Yeah.
a good thing, right? Instead of wasting our energy and as well as time and as well as finance also. So for that, if you are staying her in her campus, it would be good. As well as if they are studying college, they prefer most of the time they prefer to their friends, right? Apart from family, also they prefer friends. They want to enjoy with their friends to go outside to enjoy. So that is good. She will learn something new. If we are living apart from our family, how we can do our own things. That is also a different kind of experience, I think so.
Yeah, she comes on weekends when she get the free
Okay.
time. There is no exams, test, UT. There is nothing. She will come. Otherwise, she will stay there only.
Mm.
On weekends, she comes monthly to twice or thrice. She comes here only.
It is very the same state, so it is not a big deal
Yeah,
to come to home.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
It's a 2 hours journey on by she comes by bus. It takes 2 hours. Either she comes on metro. It's 45 minutes or 1 hour.
Okay.
It's take time.
Mm. It takes time. Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Your
Mm.
your English is very good. How did you learn? How long have you been learning English?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
is your journey?
Yes, it is more. It has been more than 1 year, ma'am. I have been learning this language, but nowadays I'm focusing too much on English. But early stage, I used to work in companies, so I'm also resonating with you. But I didn't have any household chores. So I go to work and I used to go to work and I spend at least 2 hours in a day. This is how I started my journey. But now I'm more passionate about this language. So I'm spending a lot of time towards this language to get better at this language. And yes, this is like the same story, ma'am. Everyone has the same problem. Like we don't understand. We are came from other medium. We struggle to speak. We struggle to the same thing happens to me also. But we should get out of that. There is no any other rocket science on that. We should do the hard work, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
We tried. We thought we open our mouth, we can't speak
Mm.
anything. I
Yeah.
spent 2 years learning English. I 1 year I wasted learning grammar. I didn't open my mouth.
Mm.
I was thinking I should learn English first. Sorry, I should learn English grammar first. After that, I will
Mm.
start to speak. I was thinking like
Mm.
that. After
Mm.
that, I realized, oh, without open our mouth, we can't speak.
Yes.
That time I only listened grammar class. I watched videos and all movies
Mm.
and all. I understand better that time. I couldn't speak.
Mm.
After that, I
Yes.
realized I should I do shadow English also. Some
Mm.
I watched some videos now. That time I repeat myself.
Yes.
Then only
That's
yeah we
yes.
can speak. Only
Yes, that's
listening it's not work.
mm.
Only listen we can understand better English. We can't speak. This is the
Yes.
mantra. English mantra, I can say.
Yes, yes, shadowing is very important, but nowadays I'm not doing too much, but it is the very pragmatic procedure, pragmatic activity, I can say. We should do that. Then only we can giving some kind of activity towards your mouth and the way we pronounce everything. We will get the same one activity itself, right? We are doing the reading also. We are doing the listening also while doing shadowing. So it is comes under more than two, three activities: speaking, reading, listening. So that is so much important to get our fluency back.
Yeah.
Yes.
If we get a partner to speak with someone, we don't need shadow English. Shadow English, I think so. If we
Okay.
don't have any partners, we can do
Mm.
shadow English. Either we can't speak.
Yes. Actually, if we have environment, we don't need to do the practice and all. As we
Yeah.
are into reading, speaking, listening, but we are lagging environment. That is why we are doing as a separate part. Everything we should do LSRW methods and all. Yes, we are
Yeah.
lagging environment. Yes, that is
Yeah.
why. Mm.
En-
So
env-
apart from
environment is very important. Environment
yes.
is very important. Either we can't speak
Mm.
anything. We have a mother tongue in surrounding with our surrounding. We should speak at home on also our mother tongue. Outside also we speak our mother tongue. We did not use English properly, then it will not come.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So apart from gardening, apart from English, are you into any other activity you passionate about, you really enjoy while doing?
No, I don't have the. Actually, I don't
Okay.
have time to do
I
anything.
yes.
Yeah,
Mm.
time
Yes.
is important. I don't have time to do other work.
Mm.
I do household work and garden work. I spend time with my family and I spend time with my cat. Yeah, this is all
Okay.
about me.
Is it he or she?
Yeah. It's cat, you're telling?
Yes.
He. His
He.
name Minchu.
Okay.
We are
Okay.
calling Minchu.
Mm.
When we call Minchu, he saw and listen. He can understand everything. He only
Yes.
answer me. He don't know.
Okay. Okay.
He don't know our
Mm.
language.
That is
He
his.
only
That is his language, right?
yeah. He can understand everything.
Mm.
We watched this. We sorry. Yeah, we we can see how he react. He only react
Mm.
meow meow. He can understand everything. We
Mm. Yeah.
know.
Okay, okay, okay. That's cool, man. Actually, you are a pet
Yeah,
lover, right? I also like
yeah,
dogs, but I don't have experience with any cats or dogs. So I don't know how is it the experience, but I'm really afraid of the cat's nail and all. Sometimes if you are carrying, it will do this activity,
correct.
so it will harm you, right? So it
Yeah,
harms us. It harms us, so I'm really scared of that. Mm.
yeah.
Yes.
Our Minchu also scratch our hands,
Mm.
skin,
Yes.
face. Many times he does, but
But
we
is
don't
it
care.
not
We allow
any
him.
harmful? Is it not any
Yeah,
harmful?
little bit is scratch like this.
Okay, okay, okay. You
Yeah,
have a
we
lot
have
of
a dog.
love.
Yeah, yeah, very much.
Mm.
We
Okay.
have a dog. Yeah, we have a dog. They're street dogs. We put food also. We love street dog also. I love our
Okay.
family. Everyone loves street dog, cats, and dog.
Mm. Okay. Pet lovers, I can say.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. What about birds?
Yeah, birds. We are living in a border area. Like it's look like village. There are so many
Okay.
birds are, yeah, there are so many birds are come. We put
Mm.
rice, they come
Mm.
and go.
Mm. Yeah.
We love
Yes,
animals.
I'm also living some kind of village side, or is it a city only? But I have seen some of the birds in the morning time. It goes in the straight line, some kind of crack line on the sky. So it is really amazing to see in the morning
Yeah,
time.
it's look
And
like a drawing,
yes,
like a
V shape.
they are very
Yes,
different. They, yeah, it look
that's really
very
amazing.
pretty. Yeah.
Yes. So nowadays, how many practice are you doing? Like listening, only speaking? Is there any particular practice are you doing without feeling? You are doing consistently. Is there anything?
Yeah, when so every day I go for a walk 25
Mm,
minutes. That time I
okay.
listen some podcast.
Mm,
After that, while I go to office by bus, it's
mm,
took time 1 hour. You know,
mm,
Bangalore traffic, it's too much in a peak hours.
okay. Mm,
Morning 8 to 9, I travel in bus. In bus. That time I listen English podcast and stories and all. Every day
okay.
I listen too much of English, but I practice little bit only
Yes,
because
yes, yes.
there is no time.
Mm,
In our office also we speak in English little bit.
okay.
Someone speak in English. That time I replied.
Mm,
I get nervous.
okay.
Before I was very nervous. Nowadays I can manage. I don't get nervous.
Yeah, that's.
Sometimes, yeah, I
Mm,
was speaking with someone. That time I forgot grammar and all. I made a mistake. But in our office there is no one judge.
mm,
Right or wrong, they can understand what I'm saying. They can understand, but there is no one judge me.
mm.
That's the
That's
reason
cool.
I'm free in our office to speak with someone. There is no
Mm,
one speak in our mother tongue. They are
okay.
from other state. Uh,
Okay, okay.
they don't know Kannada. We in our office. People, someone speak Kannada. My mother tongue also Kannada.
Mm,
Sometimes I speak Kannada also. Someone speak Hindi. That time I replied in Hindi also. Who speak in English? I will reply in English also.
so you know
Someone
Hindi
speak
also.
Telugu also.
Mm,
That time I replied Telugu. I know little bit Telugu. I can understand Telugu. I know Telugu, but I couldn't speak properly. I know little bit Telugu. I will manage Telugu and Hindi also. I can
yeah.
understand
So,
full Hindi, but I
mm,
can't reply. I don't know that much of Hindi. I will manage.
okay. Okay, ma'am, that's cool. I think you are living in Bangalore. That's why you know at least more than three languages, I think so. To
Yeah,
balance at least. Yes, that's nice, really nice. And
yeah,
actually, your office is good, right? Good environment for you because they
yeah.
are not judging and they are not criticizing you, even though if you are trying to speak in English. Yes, even though if you are making mistakes also. That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, everyone
Mm,
understand me. No one
okay.
judgmental person in our office. They are good persons.
Mm. Actually, you're lagging in speaking practice, right? Because
Yeah,
you're consuming 2 hours listening. That is, we should choose two parts, like listening, speaking. That is absolutely fine. But if you're listening for 1 hour, we should speak at least 1 hour. If you're listening for
yeah,
2 hours, we should speak at least 1 hour. If you're not balancing that activity, so it didn't give the result as much as we expect. Yes. Try to
yeah.
connect with
Now,
people.
yeah, well, I took subscription in the and Ace Fluency app.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, I couldn't consistently speak with someone. So whenever I get time, I connect with people. That time I speak either if I have a lot of work in our office, in at our home. That time I was tired. That time I don't call anyone. I don't speak
Mm.
with anyone.
Okay,
When I
okay,
get a
okay.
free, I was in a good mood. My mind will relax. That time I should speak with someone in an fluency app. Nowadays, I took subscription. That's a good platform to practice English, I can
Yes,
say.
I used to, ma'am. I used to for 1 year that app.
Oh, is it
Ace
1 year?
PMC. Yes, I took membership for 1 year, subscription for 1 year. At the time, when I
Mhm.
was started to learn this language, I started on that application only. So I connect with co-learners and try to speak. After 4 or 5 months later, we have some kind of options, right? Advanced level Q. So there are a lot of boys, they will come and they talk about that daily routines, talk about the topics and that. So first I chose only female queue. After I jump into advanced queue. So here I most of the time connect with only boys. So
Yeah,
they are also
I
nice.
also.
Mm,
There is no girls, women's. There is no one. Only I connected boys only. Yeah,
okay. But we have
yeah,
separate option also. If you want to choose only female, you can choose female option and you can connect with female also. If you want. Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
We can
That is one of the
pay
good
too much.
part.
Yeah, we can pay double money on it. If we
No, no,
want to
no.
speak with women, we can put 500 or something, I think.
Okay, but for me, it's not like that. I took for 1 year. I can choose a female also if I whatever it is. It is my own thing. Yes, my interest.
So
Yes.
is it? Yeah,
Mm,
I took subscription for only 1 month.
okay.
Maybe that option is like that only, I think so.
Okay, 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 okay. So cool, man.
Hmm.
So
Okay, had breakfast.
yes, I had my breakfast. That is idli. That was idli with
Oh,
chutney. Yes.
you're from
South
Tamil Nadu.
Indian.
You said
Yes.
I
South
totally
Indian
forgot.
food. South
Yeah,
Indian food.
it's very famous. Idli, dosa, and all.
Mm. How about
Yeah,
you?
I had breakfast puliyogare. Do
Okay.
you know
Is it a,
puliyogare? Have
it
you
is
ever?
famous for in South Indian dish also. We eat a
Yeah.
lot. Yes.
Yeah. In our
It is
Karnataka, we prepared ragi ball also. In your side, have you ever? You didn't eat
no,
ragi ball?
no. I don't know what is that. Maybe it makes by ragi flour.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ragi flour.
Okay. Is it too
Ra-
sweet or spices?
no, we can prepare ragi ball only with water and
Okay.
ragi flour. It's shaped like a ball shape. After that, we
Okay.
can eat chicken sambar. Sambar only. We can't eat
Okay.
either. We can't eat without sambar. We can't eat.
We can't take it as a separate, like this only ragi we can't eat it. It is not tasty, right? We should have the
Yeah,
side dish, proper side dish, especially sambar, I
yeah,
think.
we don't put salt as well.
Oh
Only
my
water.
God.
No, only we can prepare both two item only.
Okay.
After that we can eat chicken sambar,
Mm.
uh, mm, like vegetable sambar,
Mm.
masoppu. We don't know English
Okay.
how to say masoppu. Masop means leaf. We can add leaf and we can make all
Oh my God.
ingredients.
Is it? I think it is. Oh my God. I also forgot that.
Spinach, spinach leaf na.
Spinach. Yes, spinach. One kind of
Yeah,
spinach name, I think so. Yes.
yeah. We
Right?
made
Mm.
that leaf also. We can put ragi ball on it. We can Have it.